What are you doing? Nelly, what are you doing? Who's sucking on their fingers? You're not full? Oh, baby. Baby girl. You're not full? Are you not satisfied? You're not full? Just fed, mommy. You're bubbling some. What are you doing? Mommy. Nayeli. Kiana. Kiana, baby. Somebody 2 months. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so beautiful. What are you doing? Stop. 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 Why sucking on your thumb and fingers? I love you. I love you. I love you, mommy. Hi. 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 Let me bathe you now. You enjoyed your enjoyed sunbathing. Hey, what are you looking at? What are you looking at there? What? Say something. Nowadays, what? Tell me something. You're hungry? No, you're not. Let me see you. Huh? That's why you keep your hands clean, because if I don't put some mittens on those little tiny hands, Nayeli, baby, say hi. Hi. Say hi. I love you. Love you, Toto. Are you sleepy? No. Who is playing? Chubby girl. Yes, chubby girl. Yes. Say, I am a chubby girl. Don't. Chubby girl. Look at your tiny hands. You're not a big girl, huh? 2 months. 2 months. 1 week and days. 2 months, 2 weeks, huh? 2 months, 2 weeks. Okay? Almost 2 months, 2 weeks. You're sleepy. What are you looking at? The camera? Stop and feed. Chubby girl, chubby girl, chubby girl, chubby girl. Hey, shine, 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 shine. Sleepy. Somebody's sleepy. You're not sleepy. You like somebody soothing herself with sucking the fingers. Baby. A beautiful girl. Chubby girl. Mama's girl. Anyway, say bye. 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 Say hi. Nowadays, you know, that is a phone camera. You know that. What did you do to your face? Scratch yourself? Did you do that? No, today you didn't. Chubby, chubby girl, my number one, my chubby girl, my number one, my number one, hey, my number one, hey, hey. You're not giving me a smile today. Smile, smile, smile. Somebody. Say hi. Goodbye. Good. You are my sunshine. Di. Nelly? Nelly? What's she looking at? I love you, mommy. I love you, baby. I love you. Yes, I love you. I love you. Yeah. No. Oh. Bye-bye. Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you tired? It's tired. Give you a nice warm bath and you can take your afternoon nap. This is Nayeli bubbling sounds, and it just happy. She already had her, of course, sunbathing, and yeah, I just stretched her legs and massaged her a little bit. Then we came back to the house. Now I'll just be giving her a nice warm bath. Then I massage her, then dress her up, and then she can feed. Then she can take her nap. Okay, baby? Do we have an agreement? Do we? Mommy, do we have an agreement? Do we agree? L. Do we have an agreement, baby? Really? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. No, baby. So bye. What's making you happy? Mommy? Really? Beautiful girl. How are you doing? How are you doing, girl? Mama? Toto? Toto mrembo? Toto mrembo? Ah, baby? Baby? Mama? Yeah. I support your head and your neck.